If you keep a list of employees in Excel, or you can get one from where you manage employees, whether it's Workday, BambooHR, or some other HR software, you can generate an organizational chart without any drawing at all. First, you'll want to make sure your file has a column for a manager for each employee. Then, you can simply import the data file and create a visual automatically. SmartDraw will even help you streamline your diagram. As you import, you can choose which data is included in the shapes and which data is accessible via a tooltip to avoid cluttering up your visual. If you don't use Excel or other HR software, SmartDraw will also connect to your Azure Active Directory to generate an org chart for you that way. Once your org chart is generated, you can easily insert it into PowerPoint presentations or into reports in Word, Google Docs, or Confluence. SmartDraw works with all the tools you already use.